Empress. But Kuya, the Empress just gone. On to them girl nowadays, man. Yo, Empress I try answer her phone, you know. Hello? Tisha? Not Tisha this? I'm May, man. I'm May fire. What you mean you don't know who? No the Rasta what you meet last night, babe. I may make a deal. Tisha? This is not Tisha? Come beat us. Girl, rob me star. Yo. Then the girl make a deal. So we are gonna sleep right through Christmas. Father God, come to you today, Father. As a Rasta you to have come up on a shrine, Father. Imagine, Father, I met a girl last night. And the Empress. Father, you know what the Empress do. Father, the Empress gone with everything. Father, I know what I gotta do. Father, I know a lot of wrong decisions we make, Father. But I want to change for the Christmas, Father. Father, I want to change for the New Year, Father. Father, I want to put on certain life back on me, Father. Please. Christmas we are going on now, Father. I want changes for my Christmas, Father. Please. God, man. Father God. Them girls are nowadays. Them wicked and cruel and on the heart. Father God. Yeah, beg as my own God. You can do this to me. You only can put your trust in the Lord Himself. Because these days, up to your friend himself are turned against you. Boy, that's why I love my Bible. My Bible never ever turn upon me. More like to teach me what will happen in the future. Psalms 95 says, come, let us sing unto the Lord. Oh, let us make a joyful noise to the rock of our salvation. Let us come before His presence with thanksgiving and make a joyful noise unto Him with songs. For the Lord is a great God and a great King above all gods, and that teach me that do not run down life. As a young Rasta, we never know a lot of things could happen. But this Christmas teach me a lot. Every Christmas, I go out, I party. What that bring me? Back right where me am. Me not driving a car. Me not doing nothing. So you play with your life. And then me met this girl come trick me. And take all my little savings. I really this me get this Christmas. I really this me get this Christmas. Father God, me see and know you have something out there for me. And me I go for it. Look for my life, you know, go and go to tell more changes in my life for the Christmas, for the New Year. Every Christmas cannot be the same. One bag of party in jail. You know, say, I gotta sing a song. See if you're girl that will take my money. This is for you. Only I know the pain I'm feeling inside of. Girl, you are you gonna stay? Girl, why you gonna do that? I say, only I know. Hey, the pain of feeling, tell your body, pain of feeling, everybody. The pain of feeling. Yo, the pain me a feeling no easy. Tell her one brother said, me a no pre me a tell her that bro just over. Oh, only I know the pain I'm feeling. Only I know. Hey, gotta go with me. Me say gotta go with me. Anyway, gotta go with me. So me no care where one man I go free. Me say gotta go with me. Gotta go with me. Only I know the pain I'm feeling. Only I know for this Christmas I won't be rich. 'Cause only I know. Yeah. Oh. You know, say speaking fire. Who is this, huh?
Hi, good afternoon. Is this Fire?
Yes. I just said I'm fire.
Okay, I was just scrolling through YouTube and I saw some of your audios and I'm in love with your songs.
You're in love with my songs.
And your beautiful voice, to be honest.
So what's in your Empress?
I'm Kamisha. Kamisha Woso.
Kamisha, you're in love with the voice and the songs. So what can I do for you today, Kamisha?
Are you single?
But Empress, you want to the fire single?
Right.
I know I'm going to tell you the fire truth. I know in a relationship in an Empress. Because right now my heart shattered in 1,000 pieces in an Empress.
Listen, don't judge me. I'll be the best thing ever. I assure you that.
Empress, it's not about judging or this or that in an Empress. But it's how I feel inside in an Empress.
Take it easy. Take it slowly. Okay?
Not everybody take it easy, take it slowly. I not depend on that. Yo, I depend cut and clear all crosses for the new year.
Like, seriously? I'm not a crosses. I'm just someone searching for love. And I guess that could be you.
Oh, no guy don't know what is love, you know. Because through I experience, and when I say I have a lot of experience, you know, me tell you that. Only young girls don't know nothing about love. You don't want money. So just tell me, say, you like me voice. I know say me do songs. So you want to assume Say I and I have money to give you.
No, I just like your voice, and surely I would like to crush your eyes. And even like a mice.
Oh, so you have a lot of vice.
Anyways, save my number and give me a call.
You're determined.
It's Christmas. Everyone needs someone.
And when a Christmas time when you're young